शेनवारा जीटीडीसी अंतर्गत कळंगुटीत 17 फूट कोटाच्या गाडयांचे उक्तावण जीटीडीसी अध्यक्ष निलेश काब्राल हांच्या हस्तुकी जाले। या वेळार थळावे आमदार मायकल लोबो, मुरगांवचे आमदार मिलिंद नायक आणि हेर मनिस्ता हाजीर आसले। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर कळंगुटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
17 जाण जे हांगा स्टॉलां चलयतले ते पोलीस वाटेर हांव मायकल बाब म्हजे फाटल्यान खूब वर्सां जालीं आसलो and fortunately he is elected again. I am also elected again, and he has become deputy speaker. I remain as chairman of GTDC. So no hard feelings. Hard feelings itle ki आज we have got a very good panchayat which was not there in the past, and with the help of this panchayat and with the help of Mr. Michael and the Jilla Parishad members, I think this we are targeting, because this is the belt where tourism is at the helm of affairs. म्हणजे गोंयांत जर कोणूच ट्युरिजम बरे जाग्यार येता म्हणटा पळय, पयलीं लोक कलंगूट, बागा हो उतर काडटात, मागीर बाकीचे बिचींनी वयता. सो इन द नॉर्थ सायड दीस इज द फोरमोस्ट टार्गेट. आनी जशें वी हॅव गॉट अ गुड पंचायत, वी गॉट अ गुड ZP, वी हॅव गॉट अ गुड MLA. So that is why we have decided that we will do most of these 5 years and get rid of all such menace by giving best tourism facilities to all the tourists coming here. From not only this one food court, such food courts will be replicated over the full stretch, maybe 5-6 such food courts. And not only food courts, we will be giving toilet and changing room facilities and lot of other facilities for the tourists to Goa who are coming in this belt. Such model, as he has already, Sarpanch has taken, Michael has taken a step forward. He is going to get rid of the cattle menace, dog menace. It's a very good sign, and this is what we require. We have an agreement with them for 11 months, and those people renewable for up to 10 years. But people who do not maintain it or they do nonsense, we will terminate immediately. So we have signed
no subletting.
No subletting. The main is no subletting. The original people who have been signed agreement केल्ले आसा 11 months. ते लोकांनी थंय रावपाचे आनी तेणी चलोवपाक जाय, नंबर 1. आनी क्लिनलीनेस मेंटेन करपाक जाय. ईच वन, ऑल 17 आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस एरिया. यू कॅनॉट से तेणे केलें हेणे केलें म्हणून जावचें ना. जे कोण आहा नाल्यार नेक्स्ट लोकांक दुसरे 17 जाण येतले. हांव मायकला वचून सांगता, हांव ते बुरशेपणां एटेंड करून घेवचो ना. 17 जाणांनी आपणाचे हो जागो मेंटेन करपाक जाय.
येता म्हाका 7 वर्सां पयलीं ह्याच जाग्यार येयल्ले आमी, आनी हो जागो 52,000 square meters of land acquired when I was born, 1976. कितलेच गव्हर्मेंट येयले, कितलेच आमदार जाले, फ्रॉम 76 टील 2015 आमी काम स्टार्ट केलें हिंगा 14. आनी हो जागो जो एक्वायर केल्लो गोंयकाराक वचून फॉर ट्युरिजम पर्पज, वी हॅव पुट इट टू यूज. दॅट इज आवर गव्हर्मेंट इन द इयर 2012 till today. You all can see all the property. सरकाराचो जागो, लोकांचो जागो आमी युजान घातला. आमी पार्किंग फॅसिलिटी केल्यो. आमी हिंगासर लोकलांक, अनएम्प्लॉयड जे आमचे लोकल आहा तांकां आमी 18 जाणांक आमी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिले लीगली. GTDC has given them NOC. They are paying license fees for yearly license fees.